Welcome back. The next topic is relational operators. Relational operators are used to compare two quantities. So the relational operators used in C language are less than or equal to, greater than or equal to and not equal. See, here we need to note one very important difference between assignment operator and equal to operator. Dear friends, most of the times in the place of equal to, people write assignment, and it is not a syntax error. Compiler cannot identify such semantic logical errors, my dear friends. See, if I say a is equal to 5 means we are assigning 5 to a, that is a value is changed to 5. When you say a double equal to 5, so here we use two equal to signs for equal to. For relational operator equal to, we use two equal to signs. So we read it as equal to. A equal to 5, you are comparing whether the value of a is equal to 5 or not. Note this very important difference, and this is the most common mistake, my dear friends. Now, the relational operators return 1 if the expression is true. For example, 5 less than 3 is false. It returns 0. If the result is true, it returns 1. 5 less than or equal to 3. It is neither less than nor equal to 3. Still it returns 0. 5 greater than 3 true. It returns 1. 5 greater than or equal to 3, because greater than is correct, it returns 1. 5 equal to 3 false. It returns 0. 5 not equal to 3 true. It returns 1. So the relational operators return true if the expression is correct, returns 0 if the expression is false. Am I clear? And the precedence is divided into two parts. For less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, they have same level. Of course, the associativity is left to right. And they are having higher precedence than equal to and not equal to. Equal to and not equal to are having less precedence than less than or equal to, greater than and greater than or equal to. Note this. So this is the precedence for the relational operators. Now look at this example. Because the relational operator are left to right associative, when you write a less than b less than c, here a is 55, b is 25, c is 35. First 55 is compared with 25. 55 less than 25, false. So it returns 0. 55 is not less than 25, so you get 0. Then that 0 is compared with 35. 0 less than 35, yes, it is true. So here it returns 1. And that value is assigned to answer. See, actually assignment operator is having lowest precedence. Therefore, that will be done towards the end. So this one will be assigned to answer. So the value of answer would be 1. Now look at this example. Here a less than b less than or equal to c. That is 10 less than 15 less than or equal to 11. Okay. First this is compared. 10 less than 15 is true. Yes. 1 is less than or equal to 11. True. Yes. 1. So 1 is assigned to answer. So answer value changes to 1. Now look here, a less than b greater than c. See whether less than or greater than, left to right. They are having equal precedence, but they are left to right associative. A less than b greater than c. First we compare 15 with 25. 15 less than 25, true, 1. Now 1 greater than 5, false, 0. So 0 is returned to answer. That is, answer is 0. Now look here, we are having less than 2 times and equal to. Equal to is having less precedence than less than, or less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So here first 15 less than 25, this is performed. then B less than C, that is 25 less than 5, this is performed next, then finally the equal to performed. So first 15 less than 25, is it true or false? 15 less than 25 is true, so it returns 1, and 25 less than 5, it is false, so it returns 0. Now you are comparing 1 with 0. 1 is equal to 0? No. So it returns 0. So answer value will be 0, my dear friends. Let us try this program. Look at this. Here A is 10, B is 15 and C is 0. So in the first part, A less than B, that is 10 less than 15. 10 less than 15 is true, so you get 1. And 1 less than 0, 1 less than 0, okay, it is less than, 1 less than 0 is false. So here you should get 0. The next part, A less than or equal to B, that is correct, so you get 1. And 1 less than or equal to 0, 1 is neither less than nor equal to 0, again here you get 0. The next, A greater than B, 10 greater than 15 false, and 0 greater than 0, that is also false, you get 0. The next one, A greater than or equal to B, 10 is greater than or equal to 15 is false, 0. 0 greater than or equal to 0, that is true, so you get 1 here. Okay, here it should be commented. Then A, see here equal to, don't do equal to first, because equal to having less precedence than greater than. First B greater than C will be verified. Sorry, B greater than C, that is 15 greater than 0. Yes, true. So first you get 15 greater than 0, that is true, 1. So A is how much? 10. 10 is equal to 1. 10 is equal to 1 is false. So you are going to get the answer here, which is 0. Next one, A less than B, that is 10 less than 15, that is true. And 1 greater than 0, that is also true. So you get the answer 1. So let us run the code and verify the output. So you should get the answer 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Let us see the output. So you can see the output here, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Now let us see the precedence of relational operators. The relational operators are having precedence less than arithmetic operators, but they are having precedence more than assignment operators. Let us consider this simple example. Here variable A is assigned value 4, B is 5, C is 6, D 3, E 5 and F is 10, and there is one more variable ANS, that is ans is defined, and to the ans we assign this expression. That is, the value of the expression is assigned to ans and we are printing the value of ANS. Now first of all, let us evaluate the expression and see what is the value of ans. So A is 4 star B is 5 minus C is 6 divided by D, that is 3, less than E, that is 5 plus 10. Dear friends, the relational operator is having the least precedence than arithmetic operators. So this fellow is performed last. So actually what happens is the left expression is compared with right expression. So the left expression, again depending on the operators, we perform according to their precedence. So first multiplication is performed, then division is performed, then finally this minus operation is performed. And on right side there is a single addition operator, so addition is performed. Now once you get the answer for the left expression and answer for the right expression, they are compared with less than. So let us simplify and see what is the answer. So here 4 5 is 20, 6 by 3 is 2, 20 minus 2 is 18, and on right side 5 plus 10 is 15. Now we are checking whether 18 is less than 15 or not. 18 is less than 15 is wrong, false. So it will return 0. So what is the output, my dear friends? The output here is 0. Let us run the code and check the output. So the output is 0. Next example, here A is equal to 8, B 5, C 8, D 3, E 65, F 10, G 2, H 5, K 2 and answer variable is defined and we are assigning this expression to answer. Let us evaluate the expression. 8, B is 5 plus C is 8 by D is 3 equal to, double equal to symbol says we are comparing with equality sign. Okay, this refers to equal to, not assignment. Okay, and then E, that is 65 by F, that is 10 minus G, that is 2 plus 5 percentile 2. So, let us evaluate this expression. So, left side this is performed first, then this minus and finally plus operation. On the right side, okay, division first, then percentile second, then this minus third and finally the addition. And finally, left side is compared with right side with equality sign, that is whether left side expression is equal to right side expression or not. 8 minus 5 is 3, 8 by 3 is 2 quotient, then 3 plus 2 is 5. Left side expression is done, right side 65 by 10, 6 quotient, then 5 percentile 2 remainder which is 1, 6 minus 2 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5. Now, left side is 5, right side is 5, both are equal. So, the answer must be 1. If you run the code, you can see the output. Now, let us run the code. So, the output is 1. So, this is about your relational operators, my dear friends.